Thai salad. If there's one thing I love, it's a salad with major crunch, vibrant colors, and a dressing so good you'll want to drink it straight from the bowl. This chopped Thai salad checks every box, and then some. Prepare your knife skills. This is a keeper. All right, let's chop up some purple cabbage. Just look at that vibrant color. But this isn't just a pretty veggie. It's packed with benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it fights off those nasty free radicals and helps reduce inflammation. And did you know? It has more vitamin C than an orange, making it a secret weapon for glowing skin and boosting your immune system. Time to chop this sunshine in a veggie yellow bell pepper. Sweet, juicy, and oh so crunchy. It's like a bite of summer. But don't let the sweetness fool you. This pepper is loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges. Great for your skin, immune system, and those feel-good vibes. Chop, dice, or slice, however you like it, this golden beauty brightens up any dish and your day. Let's chop into this crunchy green bell pepper. Fresh, zesty, and full of attitude. It's the boldest of the bunch with a slightly bitter kick that wakes up your taste buds. Let's chop green cucumber fresh, juicy, and oh so crunchy. Every slice is a splash of hydration. It's 96% water, packed with fiber and skin-loving nutrients. Light, cool, and crisp, this green beauty is your best friend on a hot day or in a fresh salad. Next, boiled beets and cut into slices. Let's take a moment to appreciate this deep red beauty, the beetroot. Beetroot is one of the only vegetables that can turn your hands and chopping board in pink. Beetroot was once used as a natural hair dye and even a lip stain in ancient times. Next, peel the mango and chop it to juicy, golden, and bursting with tropical sweetness. It adds the perfect balance to any salad. Sweet meets tangy, soft meets crunchy. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants to brighten your plate and your health. Next, 1 cup boiled chickpea. Let's whip up a bold Thai salad dressing. Start with half a cup of unsweetened peanut butter, rich and creamy. Add grated garlic for that punch. A pinch of chili flakes for heat. 1 tablespoon soy sauce for depth. 1 tablespoon olive oil. And a splash of maple syrup for sweetness. Don't forget a squeeze of lemon juice and salt to taste. Mix it all until smooth and pour it over your fresh salad. Top it off with roasted peanuts for that perfect crunch and a handful of fresh cilantro for a burst of herbal freshness. Toss it well, and just like that, flavor-packed magic in every bite. And there you have it, fresh, colorful, and packed with flavor. Dig in and enjoy every bite. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow for more easy, healthy, and flavorful recipes from my kitchen to yours. Thanks for watching.